Hello, food hunter. Today I will make a traditional drink, I think stamina drink from Indonesia. We call it STMJ, or its abbreviation from milk, eggs, honey, and ginger. But today we not make usually STMJ because we add some spice like cinnamon, a few cloves, star anise. This spice has strong smells. Lemongrass. We call this thing secang, and this one you all know lime. This freshly ginger take from my garden still has dirt and stem on it, so I will clean it up before we cook it. So okay, after I clean it, I pound the ginger with stone and lemongrass so the flavor will come out when I cook it. After that, we start to preparation it. First, we put 4 teaspoons of honey in the glass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it away, and then we cut a nice and slice of lime. Put it in a glass. And throw it. Last and important one, put the raw egg in the glass. Oh, little spill, but not problem, I think. Put. Mm. Okay. Please put it away first. After that, mix them all in the glass. Look. Boom, 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 boom. The yolk so yummy. And smells. Smells good. After that, we put some pot. Put all ingredient here. Cinnamon, few cloves, a mashed ginger, star anise, rock sugar, cinnamon. Oh no, lemongrass, secang. Oh yes. For your information, secang gives a good smell and make the milk colors red. And the most important one, the milk. Wait, I will take a scissor first. After that, pour it there. Looks so yummy. This is fresh milk I bought last night. After that, let's put it in stove. After that, put the heat on. We use slow heat here because before the milk got boiled, we will stop and wait for a few minutes. After boil, we stir few times. Look, so nice and creamy. Rock sugar still there, so we will stir this few times more and turn off the heat. Put some lid and wait for I think 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes we will pour the mix solution. I think the best call it to the mixture of eggs. Pour, 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 pour. So looks creamy and yummy. Boil milk will make a yolk cook when we mix it. After that, just let's enjoy it. I will try it first. So creamy. Smells of raw eggs vanish. This drink will make you harm and increase your stamina, so it will doing well in winter season like this. Thank you for watching and enjoy.